Hey makers, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. Today I am so excited to announce to you our next top maker winner for 2021. This contest has been an amazing experience for us and our community. We loved seeing your inspiring stories come through. Thank you for being vulnerable, putting yourself out there, and sharing with us all of the incredible things that you make. We've had so much fun doing this contest and getting to know and connect with each of you. So, other than announcing who the winner is, I have a very exciting announcement for you guys. We've added over $1,000 in prizes and launched 3 runner-ups to also win $300 each in credit to woodenwick.com and one of our classic makers tees. Those 3 runner-up candidates are, drumroll please, the best startup brand. This award goes to a candidate that had an incredible and inspiring story about why they started their business.
I'm Angel, and this is Bloomy Candle Co. We're a little candle company based out of Santa Monica, California. I say we, but I really mean I. It's a one-woman show here. We make soy candles with wooden wicks. They're handmade, vegan, sustainable, pet-friendly, and always punny.
Another runner-up position is for the best brand video. This is somebody who showed their createful spirit and really put a lot of effort and time into showing us an inspiring and well done video.
I think about what it really means to take care of the mind. How the loneliness of this pandemic is affecting mental health for everyone. How my generation is constantly competing, comparing in the midst of it all. And how we're all just looking for a reminder of peace, joy, and self-love. Hi, my name is Kandace Florence, and I am the creator of Glow Through It. Packaged by hand with love.
Lastly, but certainly not least, is the most Createful brand vision. This candidate has a unique quality to their brand that we know is going to set their brand into the marketplace and make them super successful.
Emme Essentials, the candle brand inspired by Asian flavors. Our journey began in 2020, a few months into the COVID-19 pandemic. It was our first year living in New York City, away from our families in the Bay Area, and we had no idea when it would be safe enough to see them again. We missed the feeling of home, our heritage, and being able to connect to our culture as Asian Americans. But we realized the scents that we grew up with weren't represented in the home fragrance industry. That's why we set out to create Emme Essentials, a full collection of candles dedicated to Asian flavors, done in an elevated way with clean ingredients as our way of sharing our culture with the rest of the world.
So, another fun 2 facts for you guys before I get to what you're all waiting for, which is 40% of you make between 0 to 100 products per year who entered this contest. If you were feeling like maybe your brand was on the smaller side or you weren't sure if you should enter, I just want to take this moment to encourage you guys and let you know that you have a huge community surrounding you of other makers who are getting started out or running their own small brands. Second, you told us that you wanted more finance and marketing content. This was an area that you voiced you needed help with in your business. This feedback is so valuable to us because we're going to be curating more finance and marketing business content for you guys. Well, without further ado, our next top maker winner is...
Shut your mouth right now.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Oh my God.
Boo. I am the owner and creator and everything else in between for Vibes Candles. So I started Vibes Candles in 2017. My mother unexpectedly passed away. During that time, my niece was 18 months old and she was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. It was the hardest time in my entire life. We honestly believe that my mother's life was taken in order for my niece's life to continue on. So I'm happy to say today actually is my niece's 5th birthday. We are extremely excited about that and so happy that she is healthy right now and doing so well. It is my passion every single day to do what I do.
We're really excited to help you take the brand to the next level and hearing your passion and drive for it. And this is what you want to do every day. Like
Every day, yes.
you want to make that like the best reality ever. So
I am so pumped. You don't even know. Like, this is like my jam. Vibes Candles is like it. And without you guys, I literally wouldn't be anywhere. So I'm so excited.
Thank you guys so much for participating in our contest this year. We can't wait to see what you guys come up with next year. Happy making!